How to remove the Renault Kangoo door panel. First, we will remove the inner door mirror cover with a plastic tool. It's only held on by clips on the inside. Now we'll remove the cover on where the door open handle is and remove the torque screw right underneath. And then where the door pull handle is, we'll need to remove this cover. Be very gentle if you're using a flat metal screwdriver, as you can break the cover. It's only held on by clips on the inside and you just want to pull it off gently. Underneath there are two torque screws, one to the top and one to the bottom. I believe they were T30 torque screws. Next we're going to pull off the switch plate. I apologize, I didn't show you unplugging, but you'll need to press onto the section and pull it off. To the bottom there are another two torque screws. Now for the next part we'll use plastic tools and we'll get in between the door and the door panel. It's held on by clips on the inside, and what you can do is with your fingers, once you open space you can pull it off. Otherwise with a clip remover, if you have a tool like this where the clips are, go in there and then just unclip as you go all the way along the bottom. Keep in mind, even with a clip remover tool, these clips can still break. And you do not necessarily have to use this clip remover. You can go in with your fingers and pull the bottom out with a bit of force. And then once you pull the bottom, you'll need to slide it upwards to detach it from the window seal. And just how you remove by sliding it upwards, when you're putting it back, first pull the top in and slide it down. Remove the cable or the door handle by pressing onto the sides. And then over here, these clips, these white ones, are the clips on the inside of the door panel. One tip, if there's any clips left on the door itself, remove them from the door and put them back onto the door panel, as it makes refitting much easier. Just like so. And this is how you remove the Renault Kangoo door panel. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.